hustle, man, illicit money business, man. Came a long way from twirling jars up in the sauce pan. What you want, I got it, man. My hustle game, I can't explain. Better watch your back, a buzz, put a hollow in your brain. Double barrel, dipping me's for all my enemies. Don't approach or look my way, you ain't no fucking friend of me. Gotta get my cheese up, gotta get my peas up. Thinking you's a friend of mine, you got the game fucked up. Everybody I meet turns into a fucking dollar sign. The world done made me cold, I gotta get my money, bottom line. Ain't no time to chase a bitch, I'm busy chasing money, fool. If you try to test me, dog, I'm packing more than 22. Get your bread up, motherfucker. Don't let a hoe play you like a sucker, Just get your bread up, motherfucker. Turn a chicken out for the cluckers, for real.
My lord, just had to get started with a little bit of pump, you know what I mean? Feels good, feels good. But I guess I just don't make as many videos as I used to, at least right now. Very busy, very busy. Market Cipher website's looking great. Everything's coming together. And, you know, you guys know me. I only, I'll put out analysis videos if I feel like there needs to be one. Long story short, for the past 3-4 days, I've basically been long since like 9,500, sprinkled a couple times at like 9,580 and then 97 something. Exited a few hours ago for basically no profit, covered the fees, that was pretty much it. But Whale Crew, we entered a short, 9,600. And I feel like we might just be holding this one, although I tell you what, in this crazy market, the shorts have not been as big as many have expected, so I'm not really, I am not expecting a huge dump, but if it comes, I'll be more than happy to take it. More than happy to take it. Up until I believe today, there's been mixed different time frames showed different things. But I believe kind of today was the last straw where basically everything is showing bearish strength over the bullish strength. We'll start from the top, taking a look at the weekly. Not really much to see here in my opinion. Money flow didn't come up and break the previous high. It came up and touched it. Had a good little run. So it's kind of chilling, still in the green, chilling here, neutral zone in my opinion. No indication if it's going to go up or down. And nothing really here on the 5-day. Taking a look at the 2-day, now we start to get into some juice. We see that we do have a confirmed anchor trigger wave, or almost confirmed. We'll need to see technically the next candle really get a confirmation, but it's pretty much there. Money flow, our flow of money's cruising to the downside. Have our little red diamond, anchor wave, trigger wave. So some potential here to see some downward movement on the 2-day. Taking a look at the daily as we enhance. We see here that we have more trigger waves to our anchor wave. Money flow looks like it's cruising to the downside in a rather predictable fashion, like it wouldn't just come and spring up, but anything can happen. But in a probable fashion, looks like it's going to the downside. VWAP's peaking to the downside, looks like it's got more room down as well. Bearish. Enhancing to the 12-hour. We do see we have a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders play out on the momentum waves. You cannot ignore them. It is not perfectly symmetrical, but it is actually an it's close enough. An avalanche. I think there's room to go down. These head and shoulders play out. I think it's going to play out more than it already has. Red X right here. Little doji, some doji action right here. Just breaching to the red. VWAPs a little heavier in the yellow. In the negative, excuse me, in the negative here. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Take a look at the past and see what happens maybe when we breach into the red. You know, we see here, even if you waited till the breach, we still had plenty of room there. Won't hands to the 6 hour. Sig Sauer. A little bit messier here, but overall, I mean, overall, we see that the money flow is thinning down, could be pushing down. Kind of some jagged stuff here. Yeah, you could say anchors and triggers, but no real, like, definition. But I would say it's a weakening. You know, we just had some bull strength. Weakening bull strength is what I see here. Weakening bulls. Take a look at the 4 hour, get a bit of more of a clear picture. Money flow looks like it is cruising down. By the way, I've been sick for the past 2-3 days. I've been feeling like absolute garbage. I might have COVID. I actually know 2 people who have it. I might have COVID. Feel like shit. Not as bad, though. I felt worse yesterday and the day before. Let's go into the 2 hour here. What do we see here? Yeah, you know, a little bit of room breaking down to the red. Yeah, we got, you know, at least maybe some room down to 9K, maybe. Or, you know, you want to do, we could do something like this. Yeah, 9,100, something like that. Absolutely, I think this is absolutely a fair, maybe projection to maybe look for something in here, whether exit right here, entry right here. So there's something to look at right here, folks. Something to look at right there, for sure. Kind of looks like a little head and shoulders right here, folks. Increasing into the red. Money flow cruising down. Pattern plus data. Bearish, certainly. There's really not much else to see here. Not much else to see here. I think that's pretty much it. I think that's pretty much it. Boy, how about the stock market? My lord. By the way, we have been Bull Shark Group. We don't post that many, but killer long entries we pulled. Where was it? Where is it? Okay. It was here. Let me pull it up. Let me hit the pause button. Okay, here we go. This is in the Bull Shark Group. We did another longed more. So we've been long on the S&P at 311. Let's take a look, see what we were looking at here. Look at that. Money flow. Boom. Going up. What was that? The 12 hour? Same thing. Just boom. I'm telling you. So the other markets are so much easier to trace. So they can be so very clear. This was clear. Money was coming in. We had momentum coming up. This also, I believe this was the second picture right on the Discord, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, the 6 hour. The 6 hour. Boom. Fatty anchor to a nice little trigger with money flow coming up high time frame. We longed the hell out of the SP 500. Not been longing. Ooh! Ooh! What's going on with gold? Exited our gold positions a little bit ago, too. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah. Yeah. Gold looks like, yeah, I mean, beautiful blood diamond right there. Money flow decreasing, anchors, triggers. Gold's got some room to the downside, folks, and it might not be much. Let's not kid ourselves. You know, it could be a huge ass drop, but probably not. But a little bit of room to the downside at least. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Other than that, folks, love you guys. Hope you're all staying safe out there. And we're going to keep breaking bread like Jesus said. We're going to break bread like Jesus said and, you know, live to fight another day and enjoy our life. Other than that, until next time, I'll see you guys later.